This is Muhammad Amir, 21TE32. So here we have to explain lab number 2 of digital signal processing. So in lab number 2, we have basically in the object of the lab number 2 is to represent signal. So now we are going to perform task one by one. So in task number 1, we have basically asked enter the starting points and the limits. So we are coming to explain the codes. So here n0 represent lower limit and n1 represent uh, the upper limit, and n2 is basically 3. It generate an index and from n1 to n2. So the len x is equal to n minus n naught greater than is equal to 0 create a step signal x where its value is 1 when n minus n naught is greater than or equal to 0 or n 0 otherwise. So finally stem n comma x plot the step signal x against the index using stem plots. So basically by running the code in MATLAB we get the desired diagram, and we will observe effect of changing the value of n0 and effect of changing the value of n1 and 2. I have already performed it in MATLAB. So here you can see the running procedure of the code as well as its output. Now we will come towards task number 2, which is script that stimulate n minus 1. So in this task basically we have the script stimulates an impulse signal at an index at 8 bracket n minus 1, where n is set to 1. The signal is generated within the interval bracket n1 and 2, which is from minus 5 to 5. The line is equal to n to n minus naught equal to 0 generate an impulse signal x where its value is 1 only, where n minus n naught equal to 0 representing the specified index. So finally stem n comma x plot the impulse signal x against an index using stem plot. So basically this is the explanation of the code. So by running the code and MATLAB we will get the desired output as soon as you show in diagram. So we will observe changing the delay period, changing the starting end point. So I have already performed it in MATLAB, so I can show you. Here it is. This is the running procedure of the code, and this is the desired output. So in task number 3, basically this MATLAB script simulates an exponential signal and a sinusoidal signal within specified intervals. So for the exponential signal, we have the interval which is from -3 to 3, and the line is equal to x is equal to 3 multiplied by 0.4 power n. So it's basically generate the exponential signal x, where each element is computed as 3 multiplied by 0.5 power n. So with n ranging from -3 to 3. So stem comma x plot the exponential signal. So for the sinusoidal signal, the internal will be from -10 to 10. Basically the line x is equal to 3 multiplied by cos bracket 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by n plus 5. generate the sinusoidal signal x, where each element is computed as 3 multiplied by cos 3 pi n plus 5, with n ranging from -10 to 10. So basically, stem n comma x plot the sinusoidal signal. So we get two type signal: exponential signal and sinusoidal signals. So here is the script for sinusoidal signal, or this is the script for exponential signal. So by copying and running these codes in MATLAB, we get the desired output as shown as in the picture. So I have shown to you it in solution form. Here it is. These two type of signals, exponential and sinusoidal signal. This is task number 4. We have write a function to stimulate unit impulse sequence. So basically in unit impulse sequence, we have it generates a sequence where all elements are 0 except for one element at specified index, which is set to 1. So we have argument, two type of arguments, n and n naught. N is used for length of the sequence, and naught is used for the index of the sequence. So for example, unit impulse sequence, we have sequence length is equal to 10, or impulse position is equal to 3. So we get the desired result in as it generate 0 0 1 0 0 signal. Sorry, sequence. Now we have task number 5. Write a function to stimulate a unit step sequence. So basically, unit step sequence, it generate a sequence where all elements are 0 until a specified index, after which all element becomes 1. So we have in this, we have same arguments, n and n naught. N is used for length of sequence, and n naught is used for the index where step starts. So example, if we unit step response, we have 5 comma 2, so it will generate a sequence of 0 0 1 1 1, and if we have sequence length is equal to 10, so it will generate sequence up to 1 as shown. So we have task number 7. Write a program that can be able to flip the given signal. So by by putting the specific type of functions codes, we will get the desired output. So original signal we have 1 to from 1 to up 5. So after flipping the signal, it will start from 5 4 3 to 1, means in reverse procedure it will start. So now we will come towards task number 7. Task number 7, we have asked that write a program that can able to flip the given signal. So basically, after writing the following code, the given signal will be flipped as soon as an output. We have original signal that is from 1 to 5. So after flipping the signal, it will start horizontally. It will change the sequence, that is, it will start from 5 4 3 2 1. Oh, task number 8, we have asked that write program that can be able to perform index scaling and given signal. So basically, index scaling means that scale the index of the signal by specified factor using linear interpolation. We have argument signal, that is the input of signal, and scaling factor, a scale factor, that means scaling factor. So by putting the following code, by running the following code in MATLAB, the given signal will be scaled. Original signal you can see the original signal will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So after scaling the signal, it will become in the following sequence, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So in this task lab, task number 9, we have asked to write a program that can be able to shift the given signal. Basically, signal shifting means shift the signal by specified amount. So in this we have also two arguments. One is signal, that is the input signal, and secondly shift amount, amount to shift the signal. So basically, by writing the following code in MATLAB, the given signal will be shift. So you can see an output. We have the original signal start from 1 to 5. In shifting amount we have to 2. So the signal, firstly the original signal will start from 1 to 5. After shifting the signal, it will become um, it will start from 0 to 3. So this is the given output of the following task. So task number 10, we have write a program to simulator zero order hold. So basically zero order hold means that simulate a zero order hold operation on the endpoint signal, holding each sample value until the next sample. So by running the following code in MATLAB, so we will get a simulator zero order hold. So basically we have a continuous signal which will start from 1 to 5, and sampling period is equal to 0.5. So we will get discrete signal after zero order hold, which is given as it will start from 0 and then 0.5, 1, and so on. And task number 1, we have write a program to simulate first order hold. So basically first order hold means that simulates a first order hold operation on the input signal, performing linear interpolation between consecutive samples. So by writing the following code, we will get the desired output in which we have continuous signal, that is start from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So after and after zero order hold, and after we get discrete signal, after first order hold we have discrete signal as 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2.0. So this is the required task that we have to perform. Thank you so much. Task we have to perform is write a program to simulate a first order hold. So basically first order hold it means that simulate a first order hold operation on the input signal, performing linear interpolation between consecutive samples. We have arguments. The one is input signal and the second is sampling time. So by writing the following code, we will get the desired output. So in this we have given continuous signal from 1 to 5. So sampling period will be sample period is equal to 0.5. So it means that it simulate first order hold operation with a sampling time of 0.1. So the discrete signal after first order hold is shown as it will start from 0 and then 0.5 and so on. So this is from my side. Thank you so much.